Let me guess. You opened Google, typed, "Is my baby's development normal?" And within minutes, you felt even more confused and more worried. One baby is rolling at 4 months, another is sitting at 6 months, someone else's baby says their baby is already standing, and suddenly you feel, is my baby behind everyone? If this sounds like you, stay with me till the end, because I'm going to simplify baby milestones in a way that will remove your confusion completely. And I'll also share something very important at the end that most parents don't know. First, understand this very clearly. Milestones are not a competition. They are a developmental skill that happens over a range of time. And this is where most parents get confused. There is an earlier stage, a common age, and an upper limit. So yes, some babies may do something early. Some babies may do it a little later, and both can be completely normal as long as they are within that expected range. So let's clear some very common myths. All babies should reach milestones at the same time. No, development varies widely within a normal range. If my baby is late, something is wrong. Not necessarily. That's only if they cross the upper limit of what's normal. Comparing babies helps track development. No, it creates anxiety and gives misleading conclusions. Now let's go step by step with clarity. By around 2 months, your baby should smile socially, make eye contact, respond to sound. This reflects early social and sensory development. By 4 months, your baby should have good head control, bring hands to mouth, show interest in surroundings. This shows improving motor control and awareness. By 6 months, your baby should roll over, reach and grab objects, laugh and vocalize. This is a mix of motor plus social plus communication skills. By 9 months, your baby should sit with support, babble like ba, ma sounds, respond to their name. This reflects balance, coordination, and early language development. By 12 months, your baby should pull to stand. Stand without support. Say one or two meaningful words. Understand simple instructions. This shows motor strength plus language plus understanding. Now, this is the most important part. No milestone happens on one exact day. Each milestone has a range, and what we really watch is the baby progressing forward. Is the baby gaining new skills over time? That is far more important than exact timing. Now here are some important and common questions by parents. My baby is not crawling. Crawling is not compulsory. Some babies actually skip it. My baby is slower than others. Comparison is not a medical tool. My baby is doing some things but not certain other things. Development is not uniform. Variation is common. So, here is what you can do. These are also called activities with purpose. If your baby seems slightly delayed, there is a lot you can do at home. For example, daily tummy time. This helps build neck, shoulder, and core strength. Encourage floor play. Babies learn movement best on the floor, not on devices. Talk and interact constantly. Language develops through hearing and interaction. Use toys to encourage reaching and movement. Motivation improves motor skills. Eye contact and smiling builds social and emotional development. Read and sing regularly enhances brain and language development. Now, This is very important. These are situations where you should absolutely not wait. No social smile by 2 months, poor head control by 4 months of age, not rolling or not interacting by 6 months, not sitting without support by 9 months, no babbling or no response to name by 9 months, not standing with support by 12 months, no meaningful words by 12 months, not responding to sounds or interaction, loss of previously achieved milestones, very stiff or very floppy body tone. If you notice any of these, consult your pediatrician. I want you to take a deep breath and remember this. Your baby is not behind. Your baby is developing step by step in their own time. And your role is not to rush them. Your role is to support them. And here's what I promised you at the beginning. The first year of life is when the brain is most adaptable. This means even if there is a slight delay, early stimulation and support can significantly improve outcomes. So don't focus on fear. Focus on what you can do. Stop comparing babies. Start understanding development.